SAMH English.
Hi everyone. Welcome for today's lesson. Today, we'll learn about parts of speech in English with simple definitions and examples. Let's get started. First, we will see about noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples. Sarah is my best friend. Sarah, person. I live in Pakistan. Pakistan, place. This is my book. Book, thing. Now we will learn about pronoun. Second is pronoun. Definition: a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Examples. She is very kind. She replaces Sarah. They are playing outside. They replaces people. This is mine. Mine replaces an object. Third, we will learn about verb. Definition: a verb is an action word or a state of being. Examples. Ali runs fast. Runs, action. She is happy. Is, state of being. We eat dinner at 8 p.m. Eat, action. Fourth, adjective. Definition: an adjective describes a noun. Examples. The sky is blue. Blue describes sky. She has a beautiful dress. Beautiful describes dress. It's a cold day. Cold describes day. Fifth, adverb. Definition: an adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Examples. She sings beautifully. Beautifully describes sings. He is very tall. Very describes tall. They ran quickly. Quickly describes ran. Sixth, preposition. Definition: a preposition shows the relationship between a noun, pronoun, and another word in the sentence. Examples. The book is on the table. On shows location. She is sitting beside me. Beside shows position. We went to the park. To shows direction. Seventh, conjunction. Definition: a conjunction joins words, phrases, or sentences. Examples. I like tea and coffee. And joins tea and coffee. She is tired but happy. But joins two ideas. I will stay if you need help. If joins two clauses. Eighth, interjection. Definition: an interjection is a word that expresses sudden emotion. Examples. Wow. That's amazing. Wow expresses excitement. Ouch. That hurts. Ouch expresses pain. Oh no. I forgot my keys. Oh no expresses worry. And that's all about the 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. In English. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you next time.